How do I print curly brace characters in a string while using format? Non-working example. Desired output.
You need to double the and. Here's the relevant part of the Python documentation for format string syntax. Format strings contain replacement fields surrounded by curly braces. Anything that is not contained in braces is considered literal text, which is copied unchanged to the output. If you need to include a brace character in the literal text, it can be escaped by doubling and.
Python 3.6 Plus, 2017. In the recent versions of Python 1 would use f-strings, see also PEP 498. With f-strings one should use double, or produces the desired. If you need to resolve an expression in the brackets instead of using literal text, you'll need 3 sets of brackets. Produces?
You escape it by doubling the braces. E.g.
The op wrote this comment. I was trying to format a small JSON for some purposes, like this, all, false, selected, format data to get something like, all, false, selected, 1, 2. It's pretty common that the escaping braces issue comes up when dealing with JSON. I suggest doing this. It's cleaner than the alternative, which is using the JSON library is definitely preferable when the JSON string gets more complicated than the example.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.